Let me show you how to join Avici mining app, ladies and gentlemen. So the app is set to be giving free $8 and a bonus to its users, and I'm here to find that out. But before we get into the details, let me get this disclaimer out of the way that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. You endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. With that said, I'm leaving the link in the pinned comment, and when you click on it, you find yourself here on Google Play Store for Android users. Avici Internet Finance. Avici is a new bank that combines the best of crypto wallet exchange and the bank with self-custody, so you control your funds all the time. Set up a Avici credit card and spend anywhere. Self-custodial, you hold the control. Well, let's see how it works. Last update was on the 23rd of June, just a few days ago. So let's launch it for the very first time. So you have the option to continue with Apple, continue with Google, but I choose to continue with email. You provide your email address and you click on login. We'll send you a code to verify it. So a code will be sent that will expire in 10 minutes. So you copy the code. So you bring it to the email verification interface and you paste it. Alright, so it says fingerprint required. Let's authenticate. I just clicked on the authenticate button. Authenticate. I've just used my fingerprint. Enable fingerprint to secure your wallet and sign transactions with. Alright, so I guess I'm here. So this is the home page. Balance is 0. Get your first asset, add money, get your Avici card, dollar and euro accounts. You can actually create accounts here. No activity. The next item on the menu bar, Avici card credit. Spend across 100 million merchants anywhere in the world. Just click on the transaction symbol. But there are stocks, US stocks. There is Nvidia, there's Apple SP500. So if you're into stock business, you might consider looking this up. Seems like a good place. Just click on the last one here. So here, this is your group balance. You do not have anything, so your group balance is 0. Even though it says start up to 11.76. So they shared this 3 days ago. It says signed up to Avici in the past 2 weeks, but haven't started using the card yet. We just sent you $8 to get started. Expires in 48 hours. Runs till next week for all new users. Sign up now and get $8 to spend. Your first spend is on us, right? So they shared this 3 days ago, so it means we are still in time. So let's go create a card. So here, let's click on get a card. Avici credit card, send across this self-custodial. Tap to generate card. Loading. Say personal account. Continue. Confirm your country of residence. All countries except USA. Spend habits. My occupation. So you go through this list and you find something that best describe your kind of job or what you do. So next you enter your annual salary, your spend volume, and you click on continue. Account purpose and e-sign consent. I accept the e-sign consent and agree that card will be used for spending purpose. You check that and you click on continue. By continuing, you accept our terms. I accept the Avici terms of privacy. Use existing documents for verification. I certify that the information I have provided is accurate. I have reviewed the supported countries list. After checking all of that, you click on continue, SumSub. Consent to start verification. So you click on agree to continue. You're going to get verified here, right? Provide identity documents, perform liveness check, provide personal information, form verification, email verification, right? So if you're ready, you provide your email address and click on start verification. The code will be sent to your provided email address, this time from SumSub. So you copy, paste it here. Securely store your data in SumSub ID account to make future identity verification faster and easier. Secure, store, and manage your data. Decide when you share your data. Speed through verifications quickly and hassle-free, right? So you're saving this thing is not just for this platform. These are VC, right? But it's like a third party that platforms use to help their users get through the verification. So if you're using it, they want to save your documents. At any other time you're on another platform that is using their services, you will not have any issues. You click on create my account. ID account successfully created. Continue verification. Now you select your country from a list of countries, the country that issued your document, right? Alright, looks like not all countries are on the list, right? Not all countries. I am looking for Nigeria, but obviously Niger is here and then there is no Nigeria, right? So guys, it seems this is where I will stop because my country is not on the list, right? But regardless, if you're from some other country, I think you can continue, register, and this $8 could be yours, right? Because I'm not getting it doesn't mean you shouldn't get it. You're still very much in time. 3 days or 14 days, you still have 11 good days to do that, right? And your $12 will be credited after 2 days. That's 48 8 hours after registration. So go do your thing. So this will be all for now, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your research and be responsible for actions taken. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.